So if you use read-only to any field, it will prevent the assignment of that field outside of the constructor. So you can assign it only from the constructor. So first thing, let me run this tsc command. So it will compile this hello.ts file in watch mode, and I'm gonna create one more terminal, and I'm gonna run the nodemon that will yarn nodemon, and it will keep listening for any changes to the hello.ts file, JS file. So if I make any change to this TS file, then it will create the JS file, and nodemon will run this JS file. Okay, so let me create one class student, and let me create one read-only property. Suppose it's 8, and let's say this number. So if I'm creating one function, suppose its name is setAge, and I'm trying to set the age. So here I'm getting the age, and I'm trying to set the age. Then you can see that it's throwing me one error, can't assign to age because it's a read-only property. So we have to assign it inside the constructor. So in the constructor we can get the age, and we can assign this to this read-only property age. Okay, now if I create any object for this student class, then I'll have to pass this value, that is the age value, and also I can print the value, print age. Okay, so here let me create this read-only, so let me print the age. Okay, now I'm printing the age here. Yeah, I need to use this. Yes, so this method will print the age. Now if I call as.print age, then it will print the age that we are assigning in the constructor. So you can see that it's printing 10. We can also access the age property here. So let me write it as age from outside and as.age. Then also it will print that value. If you don't want to access it from outside, then you need to assign private. So if I assign private, then it will throw one error that it is private, and also only we can access it from inside the class. So that's all for now. So if you have any question on read-only, then please drop one comment below. Thanks. Bye.